See that shit, man. Right. Real soldiers. Based out on North Ridge niggas.
What city are we in?
Out the beach, man. Bayside. You know what I'm saying? Virginia Beach, but we don't associate with the rest of this motherfucker. Bayside, nigga.
Why is that?
You know what I mean? For us, man, what's the new town, man? You in the jungle. Jungle of the beach. You know what I'm saying? There's no sand in the water out here. Your ass will drown, nigga. On concrete. Yeah.
Any gangs out here?
No motherfucking gangs out here, man. Just based on soldiers, man. North Red soldiers, man. For real.
What goes on out here?
Same hood shit. You know what I'm saying? Nobody say too much about it, though. You know what I mean?
So you're in the hallway right here.
Yeah, the hallways got cuts. You know what I mean? Same shit. Like any other hood.
I see some scratchings on the wall over here.
Yeah.
Let me get this right here.
Shit been there since we was babies, nigga. You hear me?
Since you guys were babies?
Yeah.
Wow.
Niggas, mamas and aunties up there, motherfuckers. Uncles and shit, real niggas.
Lot of
dead niggas up there.
names. Let's see, Troy.
Yeah, based out of Posse. You see that shit, man?
Based on Posse. Come on. Yeah, that's quite an art. Who is?
Shit done changed up though. Ain't the same, but you know, life goes on.
Life goes on. 501. Bayside Arms, Virginia Beach, Virginia. A.K.A. the beach.
Worst place of the beach. Worst part of the beach. Part of the beach that Mayor Myra opened over said want Virginia Beach. You did? I'll tell you something right there.
Virginia Beach.
Yeah.
Word. Any legends around here? Like,
Plenty of, you know what I'm saying? A lot of real niggas. I can't say their name though. But you know what I mean? From the 7th city, you know what time it is. You know the part of the beach, keep it 100. You know what I'm saying? You know what part of the beach dump. For real. Bayside, nigga, that's it. I don't know nothing else. Infiltrating, trying to be like us, but they can't be us, man. Nah, never could. Real niggas out here. Handicapped motherfuckers, all that shit out here. Word, wow. Straight up.
it's the hood.
DAP, nigga.
DAP.
When you throw a gangster, I made that shit up. That's what you do.